In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to manage your Hostinger account step by step. Whether you're working with a team member or needing a little extra help managing your hosting account, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Hostinger website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger URL. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a few options and navigational tools, but what we're specifically interested in is located at the upper right corner. Now you'll want to click on the Account button. It should be prominently situated at the top of the page, making it easy to spot. Clicking on this will take you to a menu where you'll find various settings related to your Hostinger account. In this menu, look for the option titled Account Sharing. Clicking on it will bring up a new section specifically designed for sharing your account with others. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows another person to manage your services without you having to hand over your own login credentials. Next, within the Account Sharing section, you'll see an option that says Grant Access. This button is your gateway to allowing another user to manage your Hostinger services on your behalf. Clicking on Grant Access will take you to a page where you can set up this access. Now, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to provide access to. Make sure you have the correct email address because this is how Hostinger identifies the person you're granting access to. Once you've typed in the email address, confirm that it is entered correctly. The next step is to click on the admin role option. This role will allow the person to have administrative privileges, meaning they can make necessary changes and manage services efficiently. However, do note that the admin role grants considerable control, so ensure that the individual is someone you trust. After selecting the admin role, you'll want to decide which of your services they'll be able to manage. Double check that the person should have access to make changes or manage these services, ensuring there's no confusion later on. Finally, once you have everything set up as desired, click on the Grant Access button. This final click will officially provide the person with the ability to manage the selected services on your Hostinger account, and that's it! You've successfully set up account sharing on Hostinger, allowing someone else to manage your services securely. Remember, you can modify or revoke this access anytime, providing flexibility and peace of mind. Thanks for following along and happy hosting!